So today I want to look at if you can actually make six figures in your event and wedding planning business. But you want to stay tuned for this because I'm going to break down step by step how to get to that six figures. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate, and I'm a digital marketing expert for event and wedding planners. That means I help you to turn clicks into clients by generating more leads during online marketing strategies. So, today I'm going to break it down. I'm going to show you exactly how to make six figures in your event and wedding planning business. Now, I know the reason you're probably watching this video is because maybe like myself, you've seen everyone online talking about making six figures and everyone wanting to get to those six-figure numbers. But first, I just want to clear something up. Six figures is very different depending on where you are on the scale. So just ensure that you're kind of aware of what you're aspiring to. Because if someone is making $100,000, if they're making $700,000, those are both six figures, but they are both two very different numbers. So I'm going to start on the lower end and on the easier side to help you break down how you can achieve this number in your business. So first and foremost, I'm going to start with $120,000 because we're going to be doing math and I want to make it easy, right? Nothing complicated today. So here's the thing. If you would like to make $120,000 in any given year, and I'm just talking pure revenue, no expenses being included here. If you just want to make $120,000 in revenue, you need to break that down month by month, right? I believe in making things digestible, make it smaller. And the smaller your goals, the easier they are to achieve, right? So when you look at something and you're like 120,000, it seems like a huge number. Break it down. Let's move it month to month. So for you to get $120,000 in any given year, you would need to make $10,000 every month of that year. So now, if you're a wedding planner, you already know what your packages are and how they're priced. So if your packages start at $5,000 for full planning, and you probably have partial planning as well as day of coordination, you know right there that for you to hit $10,000 in a month, you need to book, let's say, two full planning packages at $5,000. Now, didn't that just feel easier? But let's say that you do as well partial planning and your partial packages are 2,500. Then right there, you know that if you do book four of those packages, you've hit $10,000. So any combination of that, maybe adding a day of coordination, will help you to hit that $10,000 goal or higher. Do you see how easy that was? So to answer the question, and this question actually came from one of our YouTube subscribers, yes, you can make six figures in your event and wedding planning business. It's all about knowing your numbers and knowing how to market your business. So let's say that you have your package, the full planning, as I said earlier, is 5,000, and you need to book two of those every month. So having the package and having your prices is not the only thing. So if you're looking at your package and you find that you're not bringing in the client, so no matter what you're doing, you're not hitting that 10,000, then you really need to look at your marketing. And I'm going to link some videos down below as well as pop them in up here and here so that you can get some additional materials and how you can better market your business so that you can book at least two clients. But for those of you who you're not at that $5,000 package level, and maybe for you, your prices are so low that you need to book 8 clients in 1 month to hit that 10,000, then what I want you to do is I want you to look at how you can restructure your packages. Maybe you need to add more value into your packages and increase the prices, or maybe it's that you have too many packages being offered and you need to consolidate some of them into a more comprehensive package. Whatever that is, look at your numbers because I'm telling you, the secret to get into that six figures lie in your numbers, in your marketing, and in how you present all of this to your clients. Now, if you have any questions for me, drop them below. I'll answer them for you. And before I go, I have to say it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this one week after week.